What's up guys, how's it going? In this video, you'll be able to watch me assemble and use the Anet A8 DIY 3D printer kit from gearbest.com. Right away, I want to give a big thanks to GearBest for sponsoring this video and sending me this printer.
This printer has definitely exceeded my expectations, and I'm amazed by the quality of the prints that I'm getting out of it. Now if you have never used a 3D printer before and you are thinking about purchasing one, I would highly recommend buying this printer kit for many different reasons. First being the price. This printer is extremely affordable compared to other printers that are out there, and if you are just getting into 3D printing like myself, you'll be very impressed with the prints that this printer can make. Also, there are a lot of custom parts and different upgrades that you can print off to make this printer even better and that can improve the quality of your prints. You may be wondering how hard it is or how long it takes to assemble this printer, and you may not like the idea of assembling it in the first place. But if you're anything like me, you'll have a blast putting this thing together, and you'll also learn a lot about how a 3D printer works. This printer comes with full instructions, including detailed videos on how to assemble the printer, so you don't have to worry about it being too hard.
So assembling this printer is one thing, but once it's finished, you may not know how to download files to print or set up Kiro with the proper parameters. But don't worry, because I'll be covering all of that for you.